Good evening, teacher. Today I am going to present you my final project, which is the website that use the most is Google. Factories, fast and easy navigation, quality content, reliable information, easy to use, dynamic tabs. Because navigation is fast and easy, because when you are looking for information about something, it is very easy to type and search. Quality content, because images and videos are in high quality and charms. Reliable information, because your information sources are reliable. Easy to use, because it is very easy to type in the search page. Dynamic tabs, because Google allows you to use several tabs to make the search faster. Reasons, Google releases new services and tools all the time. Many of them will help you to organize your data and display them. Many of them will help you to position your website and content. Google is widely used. Making has a record of more than 3 million searches per minute. Normally, for a young, this number will be enough to try to position the website, and that is with Google is characterized by its ease and simplicity of use. Thank you, teacher, for your attention. That could be all.